Welcome back to Neetha's Indulgences. Today I'm making something very special, especially for the kids. It's called the cookie bites. It's from the internet. So what are we waiting for? Let's crack on with it. Before we start, let me preheat the oven. Okay, so I have to take all these things out. Okay, I've kept it at 180. Let's start making the cookie bites. Add half a cup of softened unsalted butter. Then we have 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and some vanilla extract. I'm using, what is this? Goodness vanilla, isn't it, Vignesh? Alright, firstly let's whisk the butter. Are you sure? I didn't switch. What happened? Oh, what happened?
On alle, switch on.
Oh, because I'm pulling it, that's the problem. Let's cream the butter, sugar and vanilla extract really nicely. I've creamed the butter and sugar lightly. Now let's add 1 egg. The mortar is not put to. Add 1 1/4 cup of flour. I've not sifted this, so you can just put it directly, doesn't matter. And half teaspoon of baking soda. Alright, and pinch of salt. And nicely fold this. We are shooting in Chennai, so the heat is killing us. Hello Vignesh, you're enjoying the heat.
We came from Kochi.
Yeah.
From the rain.
I have this habit of tasting in between the raw flour. So this is the consistency that we are looking at. Now let's add my favorite part. Add delicious choco chips for the lovely kids. Give this a good mix. Such a simple cookie recipe. You can definitely make this and keep it and send it for your kids in their lunchbox. They will love this. All right, I'm going to line the baking tray. This is a quick recipe. You can make it in no time. The only time that takes for this is basically preheating your oven and just ensuring that the cookie dough is in the right shape. Okay, so our dough looks like this. First of all, it's very hot. On top of that, this is also sticky. Let's cut this. Okay, done. Now, just small bite size. Okay, because it's so hot, the butter is melting very quickly. A lot of my friends were asking, can you make some cookies and biscuits more often? So that is the inspiration behind why I'm doing this. This is very easy. You should definitely try this because hardly any ingredients and it will take very less time to make this. And I'm sure that you get roughly about 20 to 30 odd, no more than that. In fact, you will get more than 50 odd cookies. So done. Let's bake this for 9 to 10 minutes or until the cookie is done. Okay, it's 10 minutes. Let's take a look at our cookies. Sorry, bites. Smells really good. Yummilicious. Finally, yummilicious is back. The Okay, I'm going to pop in one hot. The right amount of sweetness and the texture is buttery. These are really yummy. I wish when I had gone to school, I had these kind of snacks.
മതി കണ്ട
അയ്യോ വേണ്ട കേട്ടോ, അത് കട്ട് ചെയ്തേ.
ഞാൻ വയ്ക്കും.
Check this out. So satisfying. Keep it for another 10 minutes. If you're going for some picnics or you want to keep like a brunch, you can serve them and keep a small cute Nutella, and kids will just dip it. What? The kids will really enjoy it because they can really dip the biscuit into the Nutella.
കുക്കി.
Cookie. Alright, this looks really lovely. I'm really liking this and so happy and impressed with myself. Good job. So this is delicious, yummilicious. I'm going to just tell the viewers. Kola. So buttery. Yummilicious. Kids, you will love me for this. So these are cookie bites for our little kids.
Nice.
To all my lovely kiddos, please ask your mommies to try this recipe and have it in your lunchbox. It's going to be amazing and you will thank me later. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.